what you wanna say, what you wanna do. Anyhow, anywho, I keep a gun or two. Foes get punished and no longer spoke of. Fiends in the city overdosing, all doped up. New age approaching, I must remain focused. This success breeds jealousy and envy. I make timeless music that's just trendy. I'm well accomplished, but I never won an Emmy. I obtain plenty, but knowledge the best assets. Accounts full of numbers looking like a math test. You see the stock rising, you ain't seen the graph yet. Penning paragraphs for checks, who want the rap next? I'm from a place where you learn to deal with mad stress. Started off with rock bottom was my address. I ain't rich enough, I don't wanna laugh yet. I ain't rich enough, I don't wanna laugh yet. Took the crumbs and turned it to a full meal. In my mind I'm broke until I reach 100 mil. And if the price is right, then maybe we can run a deal. Move like a military sniper with my gunner skills. You keep dumping, it won't be nobody left to kill. Chill. Well, fuck it, I am legend in. And if we talking rap genocides, that's where we headed then. Guess in the end, I have to pay the price for those beheaded men. Cause I'ma rub it in. I don't see the smoke settling. Guess all this rap shit is going to my head again. Ain't no way in hell these rap cats seeing me. I bring the TNT and flip you like that B&B. Either get the Stone Cold Stunner or the DDT. Dump God a part of the economy like GDP. A nigga with an attitude like Eazy-E better show some fucking gratitude when you seeing me.
Yeah. So what you wanna say, what you wanna do? I bet them dudes are still collecting lucky horseshoes. Little homie told me he hopping off the porch soon. Came from the courtyard but learned to make a Porsche move. What other lexicon you betting on? Born with a special intuition, I ain't never wrong. Built with original man, them gems been filling my pen. No hero ball, I play the villain again. Bad boy splinter, smoking backwoods in the splinter. Running from my demons, keep my weed packed in a swisher. Silly me, best believe my jeans sagging in pictures. They worth 1,000 words and still ain't even half of the scripture. Draping French silk on my torso. Back shots on a fat bitch sound like Morse code. My mother's song about another gun under law scope. I drop the top of the whip off in the sport mode. I'm cruising lanes, just a product of the human brain. The newest face of my city, I move like Pootie Tang. Getting chubby from moving up and on the food chain. Heard they hating, I couldn't give a fuck what dudes saying. Still pulling strings around my neighborhood. Once the money's straight, I'm really trying to get away for good. Pockets filled with paper, looking like I bring a book. Fuck a pop star, shorty so good that she sang the hook. Uptown shit, you know the motherfucking deal. Newport Lord, Jeff Hardy, Dump God. Tune, what up, baby?